Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've been keeping up with my YouTube shorts or maybe even my TikTok page, you'll know that I recently just posted a video where I talked about and showcased a $150 NEOPIXEL lightsaber that I found from, as you can see in front of me, CC Sabers. In the comment section of that video, I said that I would do a full review on YouTube, and here we are. This is not sponsored. I am not affiliated with them. I would love to, but I'm not. We're just gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you what's inside. First in the box, we have the toolkit. It just comes in a box. If you've already seen the video that I made already on this, then you already know what's gonna be in here. But if you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and show you. It comes with a pair of gloves. It's just these white gloves with the CC Sabers logo on them, which is pretty cool. It also comes with a blade wrap. Next in the box, we have the blade plug. It is a baselit blade plug with like a little pointy tip. It's like a rose gold color or bronze color, whatever you wanna call it. But it is a baselit. And this is an NEOPIXEL V4, so they sent a baselit blade plug for a NEOPIXEL. Next, we have the manual itself. It says NEOPIXEL V4, and it tells you everything you need to know about the saber on the manual. So if you ever have any trouble powering it on or finding a feature or using a feature, that manual should tell you. And then last, we have the bag right here, which has your Allen wrench, some screws. I'm not sure how much there is in there at the moment. And there is a USB-C charging cable that plugs into a USB-A. Next in the box, I'm actually gonna set this to the side real quick because this actually is a pain to get out in the packaging, but that's because I wanna keep it tidy. We have the NEOPIXEL blade, and it comes with a little cap, and it's wrapped in plastic to protect the blade, but it is just a standard 32-inch NEOPIXEL blade. Finally, we have the NEOPIXEL hilt in bubble wrap, which says SNV4. This is the hilt. It's a simple design. I really like this design, and it's why I got two of them, because I'm going to turn it into a saber staff, and this is going to be my NEOPIXEL that I'm going to be spinning mostly with if I'm spinning with a staff. Maybe I'll do some dual wielding with it. This is still a really cool lightsaber to spin with. I do like how it is very similar to the LGT saber. So as you can see with the LGT, this one is a little bit shorter, and the TXQ hilt is actually a bit longer, but they're both pretty much the same design, with the buttons being in somewhat similar locations with a smooth grip area, and then this kind of like groove and ridged area near the top. Let's go ahead and power it on, put the blade on, and then show you what that looks like, and then we're gonna go outside and do a spin test. I'm not gonna show off too many fonts. I'm only gonna show off two, just because they're just pretty basic TXQ fonts. And I've already shown off NEOPIXEL V4 fonts numerous of times, so I'm not gonna go through too many, just one or two. Now that the train has passed, I've already gone ahead and put the trash back inside this box, but we're gonna go ahead and power it on, and yeah, I'll show you one or two fonts.
Power on.
Count Dooku.
Okay, so here is the Count Dooku font on it. So this does have Bluetooth capability, so you can actually connect it to your phone, which I can show you right now. I'm gonna set the blade right here. I'm not even gonna touch it, and then you're gonna see it ignite, and it'll show off all the effects that it can do. But I will say the app is okay. It could be better, but it's honestly not that bad, in my personal opinion.
Connected.
So as you just heard, it said connected. So we're going to turn it on and turn it off. So it's really neat. So the app, the saber controls, it says on screen lockup, drag, blaster, clash, force, smooth color, step color, and then BGM. Now that I've shown you that, we're gonna go ahead and go outside and do a spin test, and I will spin it with my other one. I'm gonna be using the 32-inch blade for single blade and dual wielding spinning. And when I do saber staff, I am going to switch over to a 28-inch blade, which I actually got from Crimson Dawn. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go outside and do the spin test. So yeah, I'll see you guys outside. Okay, so we are in a new location which I've never been to. It looks really cool, so shout out to my friend John for giving me the recommendation on this place. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and spin with one lightsaber. I have the second one off camera, and we're going to first spin with this one, and then I'll spin with the second one, and then we'll put them together to do a saber staff. And yeah, you can decide whether you'd buy this lightsaber or not. Wait, as you can see, it is still functioning. I tried to show off as best as I could how light it was and how amazing it was at spinning. If I could palm spin this confidently, I would over this like solid ground. But yeah, the saber is amazing. I'd fully recommend this to anyone. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Okay, so we just came back from the spin test, and as you just saw, it was amazing. It was a 10 out of 10. I'm still really blown away with this saber, especially for the price, because it is for only $150. There's no taxes and no shipping fees, especially if you're in America. I don't know if that's true anywhere else outside of America. For just $150, you get this amazing NeoPixel. This saber, in my opinion, is probably one of the best budget-friendly NeoPixel lightsabers. And the only reason why I'm saying it's not the best budget friendly is because there are ways you can get lightsabers cheaper, and there is one reseller that I have just recently now found right before recording that actually has a NeoPixel V3 saber for even cheaper, and I have a discount code with them, so you can even get it for way cheaper. So yeah, stay tuned for that video because I'm super excited for that, because I'm only getting that saber purely because of you guys, and it's gonna be really special for me. Before I end this video, I do want to say that this saber, for it being $150, is not the only lightsaber on CC Sabers that goes for $150. They actually have quite a big handful of selections that are $150 SM Pixel lightsabers. Be sure to go check out CC Sabers. I think that they're a pretty cool company, and I personally recommend them if you want a TXQ lightsaber that comes from a reseller where you don't have to buy directly from them and deal with any of the shipping fees and taxes and any other hassle that you might face when buying overseas in China. That is going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you want to, and comment down below what are your thoughts on this lightsaber. Are you going to buy this lightsaber from CC Sabers, or are you going to buy a different one for $150 that CC Saber sells? If you do, let me know in the comments down below and what are your thoughts on it. That is going to be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and before I go, remember the next video is going to be amazing, so be sure to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.